How did first circumnavigators navigate without accurate maps? Have you ever wondered how explorers managed to sail around the world without the detailed maps we relying on today? The first circumnavigators faced a daunting challenge, but they used clever techniques to find their way. Let's break down how they navigated the vast oceans with limited resources. The primary method they used was celestial navigation. This involved measuring the angle of the sun, moon, or stars above the horizon to determine their latitude. Tools like the astrolabe, quadrant, and crossstaff were essential for this process. By observing celestial bodies, such as the North Star at night or the sun during the day, sailors could estimate how far north or south they were. However, this method only helped with latitude, leaving longitude a mystery until the 18th century. To figure out their east-west position, sailors relied on dead reckoning. This technique involved keeping track of the ship's course and speed over time from a known starting point, usually a port. They measured speed using a device called the ship log, which was a knotted line dragged behind the ship. Time was tracked with hourglasses. By multiplying speed by time and adjusting for direction, navigators could estimate their current position. Unfortunately, this method was prone to errors due to ocean currents and wind. Navigators also used magnetic compasses, which became common in the 15th and 16th centuries. These simple devices helped sailors maintain direction even when they could not see land. Early compasses consisted of magnetized needles floating in water or mounted on a pivot. When they were close to shore, sailors took advantage of landmarks, soundings, and observations of wind and wave patterns. For example, Viking navigators would release as ravens to find land and observe sea conditions to gauge their proximity to the coast. Despite the challenges of not having precise longitude measurements, explorers like Ferdinand Magellan's crew successfully completed their circumnavigation. They combined celestial navigation, dead reckoning, and careful record-keeping with early navigational charts known as rudders or rudies. These charts included coastal descriptions, hazards, and compass bearings to help guide their journeys. In summary, the first circumnavigators navigated without accurate maps by relying on celestial navigation for latitude, dead reckoning for estimating distance, magnetic compasses for direction, coastal observations when near land, and early charting methods to document their findings. These techniques were remarkable for their time, allowing explorers to cross vast oceans and achieve global voyages despite the limitations they faced. Their accomplishments representing key milestones in the history of human exploration and navigation.